同学们好. It's me, Mr. T again, 徐老师. And today, just going to talk about some of the writing samples I've been receiving in the assignments. So it's always good to develop a good Chinese character practice method early on in your learning careers, so that you can learn harder things, because Chinese will get harder. So here's some tips for that. So before you write, it's always good to look at the sample that you're trying to copy. Okay, notice where the hooks are. Okay, notice the stroke order. Do you see they give you some examples of how to write the character? You just follow this, okay, exactly. Also, when you write the character, when you're practicing, try not to like squish it into like the corner of the square. Try to write it in the center, okay? So for example, like the word ni, let's try to write it, okay? And when you're writing, it's good to say the stroke orders, like the number in Chinese. So this is how I would do it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Right? Now you want to avoid something like, for example, I'll just do some bad examples, things you shouldn't do, like this. You know, there's too much space here. Some people, they just kind of like squish it together. You know, their characters are not balanced. They try to squish it into the side of the box. Try not to do that. Try to put it in the center, okay, like this. Okay, just some character-specific things I've noticed. Okay, this word 在, as in 再见. Okay, there is a hook here. Do not forget it. And also this line, it goes straight through, okay, and it comes out to the sides here. So you can write that. Okay, like this. Also, this word 见, a lot of people forget the hook here. You must put it in, okay? It's not an option. You must put it in. So this is how you write it. 1 2 3 4. Okay, it's hard to write one hand here. Let's try again. 1 2 3 4. Okay, there's a hook right here. Let's look at some other characters in the other worksheet here. For example, 我, make sure you write the hook here. Another character that I saw written incorrectly is 日, as in 日本, Japan. Okay, notice this center line here. It doesn't go right through the character, okay? It doesn't touch the right side. So when you write it, it's like this. 1 2 3 4. Well, this line, you're supposed to close it. So let's try it again. Hard to write with one hand. Not really holding paper. Yeah, like that. Okay, so make sure your character doesn't look like, I see a lot of people, they write it like this. Make sure it doesn't look like that. Okay? Here's another character. 英 as in 英国, as in England. You see this part here? It goes through. You can think about it like a roof. It goes through, okay? Remember that. And some other comments I would like to make, like, you see each of these squares, make sure you just put one character in each square, not two, okay? So, you know, I've seen some people, they try to, like, they write 你好, and they put it in one square. Okay? It's two characters, so just write 你 here and 好 here. Okay? So one character per square, if you can remember. Okay, hope this was useful. 谢谢，再见。